Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to hide messages and notifications Microsoft Teams on computer. So how to hide messages and notifications Microsoft Teams on computer. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go straight to Microsoft Teams on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display on Microsoft Teams. To hide messages and notifications Microsoft Teams, just point the cursor to the upper right corner of the screen. Here there is a three-dot icon. And tap. Here a scrolling menu will appear. Tap the Settings menu. Now here you are in the Settings menu. Enter the Notifications and Activities menu. Now here in the Notifications and Activities menu there are several menu options. Tap the Display menu. Now here several options will appear. Tap on Show Message and Content Previews in Notifications. This method aims to only show that there are new messages without displaying their contents, maintaining privacy so that they are not seen by others. So that's it, tutorial how to hide messages and notifications Microsoft Teams on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.